Welcome to Brainetainment, your go-to source for enlightening and engaging content on science, health, and lifestyle. We're committed to broadening your knowledge horizon, exploring a diverse range of topics from the mysteries of the cosmos to the intricacies of the human body. Our aim is to make learning not just informative, but entertaining too. Health and lifestyle are key areas we cover, providing insights that empower you to make informed decisions. Today, we delve into the world of vegan diets and debunk some common myths. Stay tuned. Before we dive into the myths, it's crucial to understand what a vegan diet entails. A vegan diet is a type of vegetarian diet that excludes not just meat, but all animal products. This means no eggs, no dairy, no honey, and even no gelatin, which is often derived from animal bones. Instead, a vegan diet focuses on plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, seeds, and nuts form the bulk of a vegan's meals. It's a diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and a plethora of other nutrients. Some vegans may also choose to include plant-based meat alternatives like tofu or seitan into their diet. And while you might be thinking that this sounds quite restrictive, you'd be surprised at the variety and creativity that can come from plant-based meals. From hearty lentil stews to creamy cashew-based cheesecakes, the vegan diet is far from boring. Now that we've defined a vegan diet, let's move on to some popular misconceptions. One of the most common myths about vegan diets is that they lack protein. This belief has been floating around for years, but let's shine some light on the truth of the matter. The notion that vegan diets are deficient in protein is a misconception stemming from the belief that protein can only be derived from animal sources. However, scientific research tells a different tale. Protein is made up of building blocks called amino acids. While it's true that there are 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own, it doesn't mean they can only be found in meat. In fact, all 9 essential amino acids can be found in plant foods. Let's put this into perspective. The recommended dietary allowance for protein is 56 grams a day for men and 46 grams a day for women. Now let's consider some plant-based foods. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, a cup of cooked quinoa provides around 8 grams, and a tablespoon of peanut butter adds in another 4 grams. Add in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and you'll see that meeting daily protein requirements on a vegan diet is not only possible, but it's also quite simple. Moreover, there are numerous high-protein vegan foods that can help meet and exceed these daily requirements. Foods like tofu, tempeh, edamame, seitan, and various legumes are all protein powerhouses. And let's not forget about the humble chickpea, which is not only versatile but also packed with protein. Furthermore, it's worth noting that a number of world-class athletes thrive on plant-based diets. From tennis stars like Venus Williams to heavyweight boxing champions like David Haye, these athletes are proof that a diet devoid of animal products doesn't equate to a diet lacking in protein. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that choosing to adopt a vegan lifestyle doesn't have to result in protein deficiency. With a well-planned and varied diet, vegans can and do get more than enough protein to support their nutritional needs and maintain their health. So, the lack of protein in a vegan diet, that's a myth busted. Another myth that often surfaces is that vegan diets are deficient in essential nutrients. This is a misconception we'll debunk in this segment. Let's start with vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. It's often associated with animal products, but did you know that it's actually produced by bacteria and not animals? This is why it can be found in fortified plant foods like cereals and plant milks, and also in vegan B12 supplements. Next, we have calcium. While dairy products are a common source of calcium, they are certainly not the only source. This mineral, crucial for bone health, can be readily found in plant foods like tofu, fortified plant milk, sesame seeds, and leafy green vegetables such as kale and collard greens. Iron, a key player in oxygen transport, is another nutrient that's often linked to meat. However, there are 2 types of iron: heme, which is found in animal products, and non-heme, which is found in plant foods. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and spinach are rich in non-heme iron. Pairing these with a source of vitamin C can enhance iron absorption, making it easier for your body to utilize. Lastly, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health. While fish is a well-known source, there are plant sources too. Flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts are all excellent sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. a type of omega-3 fatty acid. In addition to these, a well-planned vegan diet can also include supplements to ensure one is getting enough of these nutrients. Supplements are not a sign of a deficient diet, rather they can be a practical way to ensure you're getting what you need, especially for nutrients like B12. So as you can see, it's not about the diet being deficient, but about knowing where to get your nutrients from. With a bit of planning and knowledge, a vegan diet can certainly provide all the essential nutrients your body needs. The third myth we're busting today is the belief that vegan diets are automatically healthy. It's essential to understand that just because a diet is vegan, it doesn't automatically make it nutritious. Like any other diet, a vegan diet can be healthy or unhealthy, depending upon what you choose to eat. While it's true that a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs, it's also possible to eat a vegan diet that's low in nutrients and high in processed foods. Think of it this way, you could technically be a vegan and live off chips, soda, and vegan junk food, but would that be healthy? Certainly not. On the flip side, a balanced vegan diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds can provide a wealth of nutrients. But achieving this balance requires careful planning and a good understanding of nutrition. Moreover, some nutrients are harder to get from a vegan diet, such as vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are typically found in animal products. These nutrients are essential for our bodies to function correctly, and their deficiency can lead to serious health problems. Therefore, vegans must find suitable plant-based alternatives or consider fortified foods and supplements. Another potential pitfall of a poorly planned vegan diet is the risk of consuming too few calories. Many plant-based foods are low in calories, so you may need to eat larger quantities to meet your energy needs. On the other hand, eating too many high-fat vegan foods such as avocados, nuts, and oils can lead to weight gain. So while it's possible to thrive on a vegan diet, it's not a ticket to automatic health. It requires an understanding of nutrition, careful planning, and a focus on variety and balance. Remember, any diet, vegan or not, needs balance and variety to be healthy. We've certainly covered a lot of ground today, so let's summarize. We have taken a journey into the world of vegan diets, exploring common misconceptions and understanding the potential pitfalls if not properly planned. Our first discussion point was the myth that vegan diets lack protein. We've learned that this isn't entirely true. While animal-based foods are known for their high protein content, there are plenty of plant-based sources that can provide sufficient protein. The key is in variety and balance. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are not just rich in protein, but also offer a plethora of other nutrients. The second myth we delved into was the belief that vegan diets are deficient in essential nutrients. Again, the truth is more nuanced. Yes, certain nutrients like vitamin B12 and iron are more readily available in animal-based foods. But supplements and fortified foods can help bridge this gap. Also, a well-planned vegan diet filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains can provide most of the essential nutrients our bodies need. Our third myth was the idea that vegan diets are automatically healthy. As we've discovered, this isn't always the case. Just like any other diet, a vegan diet can be healthy or unhealthy, depending on the choices we make. Processed vegan foods, for instance, can be high in sugars and unhealthy fats. So the key here is to focus on whole, unprocessed plant-based foods. In essence, a vegan diet, just like any other dietary choice, requires understanding and planning. It's about knowing your nutritional needs and how to meet them with the foods available to you. It's about variety, balance, and making conscious, informed choices. However, it's also crucial to remember that everyone is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian when making significant changes to your diet. In conclusion, vegan diets can be nutritious and satisfying if done right, but they're not automatically healthy or deficient by default. It's all about how you plan and execute your diet, and as always, balance is key. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Braintainment for more enlightening content. Stay curious, stay informed, stay